It's me again. We've almost reached home. We could show you our pond. What are you pointing to?
Kids on the ice.
Oh, you could see the kids on the ice. Somewhere. Well, that's the park over there, the little walkway. And we're heading home. This is our trip home. Very pretty it looks. Very treacherous it is. Beyond those houses is a big pond. They have a nice view of the water. As you can see, nobody shoveled our roads yet, and they probably won't. Maybe this guy will come by and do our place. There's Santa Claus. Ho ho ho. Bit of everybody, my neighborhood, and I don't know a single person around here. Suburban life isn't my lifestyle. Now we're coming up to our turn. As I mentioned before, our block has 4 houses. We're on a dead end, as you see. Dead end. Mark doesn't want to talk. He's giving me sign languages. And here's our dead end. There's 1 house, 2 house, 3 house. And over there, 4 and 5. Excuse me. I sit corrected. 5 houses on my block. And here we pull in. And we made it safely, everyone. See you all later.